Hey, what's up? Window Cleaner is just going to show you a quick tip how to keep these scrub washers clean in between, putting them in the washing machine. I call it the fluff and dry. What you do here at the end of the day when you're all done working and your scrub washer looks like this, all full of dirt after cleaning a bunch of dirty windows. What I do is I get a garden hose with a spray nozzle and I spray down the scrub washer just to get all that dirt off of it first. Okay, so what I do is I just squeeze out the excess water out from the scrub washer. Then I take it off the T-bar. Then I give it another squeeze. Get all that water out of there. And this is what I call the fluff and dry. Just turn it over the other side. And there you have it. You have a nice, fluffy, clean scrub washer. Okay.